Next up is Lewisburg Antiques. I'm still looking for poodles. The same old story. Last time I was here, I cleaned up even though I didn't film. So looks like they got some good stuff in there for us. Let's go check it out. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but it looks like I might have caught them just as they were restocking. This vendor is pretty much the reason I come out here as frequently as I do. They used to have that booth at Sledworks that I liked so much, but Sledworks closed, so I'm definitely gonna take this Cupie for $5. Now $15 is definitely a little bit more than I'd like to spend, as cheap as I am, but I kind of can't resist this Amberina Fenton vase at $12. No, $15, excuse me. I think I'll take that. All right, now I'm also gonna go ahead and take the nun at $6, and this little elephant planter, so cute, $7. I think it's supposed to be a pin cushion, or maybe not. This is amazing. This set is epic. We'll take those at $7. It's figurines too, interesting. I love this blue color too. I will go ahead and snag that for $6. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Look at these guys. How fabulous. Oh, and the trivet. I'm not even gonna check if they work. I think they're fantastic. I'm gonna take that. And oh my gosh, such a happy thing. And that, and this, we'll just take all of it. Whoa, now check this out. Butterfly picture frame, Hong Kong, $9. Dude, that is so cool. You're gonna take that for sure. I've never seen one quite like that. I think there's something wrong with me because I'm really excited for people to start bringing their Christmas stuff out. 16, not bad. Look at this little witch figurine, $8. Okay, well, kind of a game changer. I just realized they changed their discount, so now they give the 15% if you're using a debit card too. So I'm trying to like calm down for a second. I'm super excited about that. Normally I don't have cash on me, and I inevitably find something. This is a really interesting one. I love the colors on this, even though it's something I normally wouldn't pick up. I love the yellow and orange. Very spooky season. Now, oh my gosh, cat mascot head. I was looking at this ghost figurine. He's a little bit newer than I normally get. $8 and 15%. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at all this cute little stuff. I love my miniatures. Oh, look, there's another one of those. Oh, cool. I had one of those and it sold pretty well. I love the motif on it. Well, I did grab the ghost little figurine and this because it looks like it's in pretty great condition, and it's only $5 after the discount. And what about this ghost? We like the ghosts. Tea light, that's a little bit newer than I'd like, although it's really fun. I also can't help but notice this. I'm gonna call her a Wicked Witch. $6, made in Taiwan, so 80s. We'll grab that. That comes to like $5.10 after the discount. Whatnot has officially made me Halloween crazy. Oh my gosh, so cool. I love the older paper mache. The scarecrow is really neat too. Obviously, it's really expensive. Like I've said 100 times, Halloween is really hard to find at any type of reseller's price. Look at those cards. That's really fun set. I'm shocked at how many not poodles I'm finding. This is really cool. Kind of looks like an onion. This is very cool too. Although I don't think that's pink light, honestly. I could be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure that's just plastic. I don't usually go in this nook, but this pop of color caught my attention. Royal Copley, that's really pretty. Those are kind of hit or miss for me. I like the elephant creamer at $12 though. It's a little bit more than I'd like to pay for it. That's another thing that's kind of hit or miss for me, honestly, that style. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? 45. Oh, that is cool. I feel like for a collector, that's totally reasonable. Obviously, for me, reselling, I can't do much with that. Oh my gosh, look at this baby spoon. Look at the face on that. Oh, I'm not even mad at it. So fantastic. What's up here? A little glove ring. More chalkware fish. How much are you though? I feel like they're gonna be expensive. They look in good condition. 26 for the both. Is there a discount? WGS, cash or check only. Well, it's not worth paying the ATM fees, so I'm just gonna let that go. It's a little close anyway. It's a fair price for a collector, especially because they're in such good condition. It's hard not to find them chipped up. Well, I'm obsessed with this. Barbershop quartet, how funny. Oh, look, it's another one of those weird, disturbing pumpkins. I had a couple of these last year. The first two sold like crazy, real quick, and then I got stuck with one. So I'm not messing with it again, especially because it's more contemporary than I'd like. What was I doing? I was looking at something and now I don't remember what it was. All right, let me read this sign very carefully. 50% off clothes, shoes. Okay, I thought it was gonna be the jewelry too. I've been finding some really epic jewelry. Okay, so the jewelry is 20%. Yeah, I've been finding great jewelry here. Those are so fun. I have another Scotty Dog pin I picked up from here and haven't sold yet. Ooh, look at this perfume bottle. Blue milk glass atomizer. That's quite fabulous. Well, I was kind of spaced out, just enjoying the scenery of all this, when my eyes caught glimpse of, it's locked and the freaking tag's down, man. That's so obnoxious. Is it locked? I can't tell. I don't think it is locked. Really want to know how much those long body cats are. I can see some of the other prices are close to retail, if not at retail, but there's definitely some deals in there, so I think it might be worth it to go get a key. So I did grab them. I definitely paid up a little bit for them. I paid $20. They were marked $20 for them. Now, I've had them sell anywhere from $35 to $49. So, although it's definitely more than I'd like to pay, it's been so long since I've even seen them, and they were in pristine condition. So I feel okay about it. Plus, we all know we love our cat stuff. This is a cool one. How much is this? I don't want to work that hard for it. 20 bucks. And I see this fuzzy skunk sticking out. $30. That's about what those sell for. Again, another thing that I like never see anymore. Oh, look at this goofy thing. It's definitely newer than I'd like. Pumpkin boy. Ooh, this is cool. Again, looks contemporary. Yes, very. And it's 32. I really like the swirl on that though. So my favorite vendor is literally restocking as I'm getting ready to check out. So I'm just kind of like slowly buying more and more stuff, just kind of hanging out. So I'm definitely gonna grab the Nun and the Lucite candle. That's like $5 and $6. This is very cool, this cobalt glass ashtray. And is this an elephant toothbrush holder? Norcrest elephant toothbrush holder. Well, that's kind of fantastic. I feel like that's important. I'm probably gonna save this for my elephant sale, but still, epic. Well, well, I feel good about that. I spent $124 in there, and I am on to the next. So I will see you guys when I get there. All right, I just got to the consignment barn in Lewisburg. Let's go in and see what we can find. I am gonna take all of this. What is happening? And then I also noticed this cow squeak. That's at 8. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Universe, thank you. We're gonna take the carnival glass jadeite cat and the purple slide glass cat, both at 14. I see the hens on nest. Those are a good deal too, at 12 each. I actually am gonna look up the carnival glass shoe. This is shaping up to be very cost effective. So I did grab both the glass cats at 14 each, and I did grab both the hens on the nest. They were harder to find colors, so at $12 I kind of couldn't resist. I did leave the carnival glass shoes. I thought those might be a little bit close. This little collie figurine, that's a little rough. This is weird. Es amor, strange. Little Spanish dog situation. All right, let's go and see what else we can find. This is shaping up to be awesome. Look at this cute little zebra. I think I looked at that last time, $9. Totally fair for a collector. A little close for me. I could make a couple bucks, but not enough to justify, especially after all these epic deals I've been getting. So I actually never go back here because I'm pretty sure it's all furniture and crafts, but I decided to switch it up today. What is happening here? Carved golf ball. Yeah, they've got other stuff back here. Whoa. Carved box, now 15. I don't think I like that. Yeah, so mostly crafts and definitely a lot of furniture, but this whole situation definitely caught my eye. Some incredible signs and old pinball machines. Oh, those are cool. Oh, I should get out of here. I don't need to be looking at this. Now, speaking of thinking about Christmas, look at this guy. $6. Oh my gosh, stop. Does it work? Oh my gosh, wait, this needs both hands. This is important. So it doesn't seem to work, but for $6, I don't really care. That is so great. Of course, I'm working on my Christmas sales. That is so cute. Car with Christmas tree. Oh, that's so fun. I have gotten some really great things that I normally don't get my hands on, and stuff I haven't had before. Of course, I still love this checkerboard fur coat, but if you had any idea how many fur coats I have, oh my gosh. Let's see, what is this? I like this shape. $10. Westmoreland. And I was just checking in with their bangle section. Looks like they are all pretty picked over. What's this one? It's kind of different. That almost looks like Bakelite, even though I don't think it is. For 50 cents, I think I'll get that. I have that. That's really quite cool. It's got that swirl to it. I got that bangle sale coming up in October. I gotta be thinking about. This kind of caught my attention. How cool. I love the pattern on that. What's this random cow in here? $8. It's got a chip. So I don't normally pick up these masks because I'm infamous for breaking them, but I do have to look at them anyway because they're so fun. Oh my gosh, and they've got the whole strawberry shortcake costume. That's so great. Oh, so tempting, but there's no way that's gonna make it to you in one piece if it's coming from me. Cute little owl figurine. It's got a little owl, $3.50. Yeah, that little bit of paint loss. This is quite unusual. That's kind of cool. Kind of like this. I don't think I've been in this booth before. Oh, it's got a chunk missing out of it. I can't do that. Let's see. What else is in here? I thought it was kind of going to be all contemporary, but, well, most of it is. This little cat. This is so cute. Looks a little bit newer than I'd like it to be. Probably 80s, 90s. Not that there's anything wrong with the 80s. This kind of caught my attention too. How cool is that teapot? Does it have any kind of marking on it? What is this? It's just a wooden pig. No, this is neat. I'm gonna see if I can find some information on this. Well, I can't lie, I didn't look that hard, but my gut is telling me to get this. It's really different and it seems really good quality. For 10 bucks, I feel like why not? That's neat. And it's kind of a happy rooster. I feel like normally the roosters look angry. I can't remember if this cat planter was here the last time I was. Oh, it's got a chip on the ear. Yeah, chip deer, dang. Something about this too. Japan, 10 bucks. Dang, you know what though? I really wish this had its top. Oh, that's frustrating. That is really cool. I love the orange and black. Well, I was taking a moment to look at these. They are made in China. They're 1990, which is definitely older than I'd want when I saw this guy. Amberina glass bird, $6. Yeah. I'll take that for $6. Kind of a nightmare to ship, but for $6, I can't really argue with those. Although I've shipped these before. I had a satin one, a satin finish one not that long ago. I've been obsessed with Amberina colors recently. And I'm sure it's gonna be spendy, but I like, oh, you know what? The paint is not good now that I get up close. And it's 18. Kind of a whirlwind trip on that one. I am off finally to Street of Shops. I am so excited that I have more than an hour. I feel like I am always crunched for time there. So I will see you guys when I get there. Oh yeah, and I spent $112 in there and got some great stuff.